The myth of Atlantis, a sophisticated island civilization purported to have vanished beneath the waves overnight, has captured human imagination for millennia. The idea of a lost world, brimming with advanced knowledge and technology, tempts the curiosity of scholars, adventurers, and dreamers alike. This legend, steeped in mystery and draped in the allure of discovery, continues to beckon the bold and the skeptical to uncover its truths or fiction. The fascination with Atlantis is not merely about the thrill of a historical treasure hunt. It is a profound testament to human desire for understanding and the eternal quest for our origins. Every culture has its myths, but few have provoked as much intrigue and speculative investigation as Atlantis. The thought that there might be a grain of truth hidden within the fantastical tales encourages both scientific and mythical explorations. The allure of Atlantis is amplified by the scant but provocative details that emerge from ancient texts, chiefly among them the dialogues of the Greek philosopher Plato. His descriptions have laid the foundation for countless expeditions, each hoping to emerge with evidence of this sunken civilization. Yet, despite modern technology and extensive research, Atlantis remains an enigma, a tantalizing mirage in the desert of our historical understanding. Plato's account of Atlantis emerges in two of his famous dialogues, Timaeus and Critias. These works describe a utopian island kingdom existing 9,000 years before his own time, with a powerful navy and immense wealth. Plato portrayed Atlantis as an antagonist naval power that eventually succumbed to its own greed and corruption, leading to its divine destruction by earthquakes and floods. His narrative is not just a story but a moral lesson on the hubris of civilizations. In these texts, Plato detailed the architectural marvels of Atlantis, its concentric circles of land and water, and the advanced societal structure that governed it. This description has been the bedrock of numerous theories about the actual existence and possible location of Atlantis. Scholars and enthusiasts dissect every word of Plato's account, often debating whether his tale was meant to be taken as history or mere philosophical allegory. The debate over the intention behind Plato's Atlantis narrative does not detract from its impact, but rather enhances the mystique surrounding the legend. While some argue that Plato created Atlantis as a fictional state to explore his theories of governance and ethics, others believe he was transmitting a diluted memory of a real prehistoric event or civilization. This ambiguity continues to fuel both academic and popular interest in Atlantis. Over the centuries, the presumed location of Atlantis has sparked as much debate as the existence of the civilization itself. Theories abound, ranging from the plausible to the fantastical, each backed by interpretations of Plato's descriptions or geological conjectures. Some scholars suggest that Atlantis was in the Mediterranean, perhaps identifying it with the Minoan civilization on Crete, which was devastated by a volcanic eruption around 1600 BC. Another popular theory posits that the Richat structure in Mauritania, a striking circular geological formation visible from space, matches Plato's description of the concentric circles of Atlantis. Proponents of this theory argue that shifts in geographic knowledge over time could have distorted Plato's original account, making the Sahara Desert once a thriving location, submerged by sands rather than waves. Further afield, there are those who extend the search to the Americas, the Caribbean, and even as far as Antarctica, suggesting that a catastrophic event could have obliterated all recognizable traces of Atlantis. Each new theory rekindles interest in the Atlantis story, drawing in geologists, historians, and adventurers to these locations, all chasing the shadows of a possibly mythic past. Section 4. Modern Explorations, Archaeology, and the Deep Sea. The quest for Atlantis is not confined to dusty libraries and speculative maps. It extends into the real world of archaeology and deep-sea exploration. Modern technology, such as sonar and satellite imaging, has transformed the search, allowing explorers to probe areas once inaccessible. These tools have uncovered submerged structures and artifacts that some eagerly propose as evidence of Atlantis. Prominent among the expeditions are those conducted around the Mediterranean, particularly around the island of Santorini, formerly known as Thera. This site, known for its catastrophic volcanic eruption, offers tangible clues that some researchers believe could link back to the legendary Atlantis. Artifacts and the complex urban layout unearthed here echo some of Plato's descriptions, fueling ongoing debates and investigations. However, despite these promising finds, definitive proof remains elusive. Each discovery leads to more questions than answers, with skeptics and believers alike dissecting every piece of evidence. The scientific community remains divided, with a significant portion viewing Atlantis searches as fringe science. Yet the lure of solving one of history's greatest puzzles keeps many persistent explorers in the hunt. Section 5. Atlantis in the modern mind. Fascination and impact. Why does Atlantis continue to grip the modern imagination? The legend embodies the human spirit's unyielding drive for discovery and the romantic allure of a hidden truth just beyond reach. Atlantis serves as a metaphor for the unexplored, representing the mysteries that still pervade our understanding of history and the natural world. This blend of unknowns and possibilities makes Atlantis a perennially captivating tale. In addition to inspiring countless books, movies, and television shows, Atlantis has influenced various aspects of popular culture and scientific inquiry. The story encourages a broader appreciation of ancient civilizations and the complexities of historical evidence. It also spurs critical thinking about our interpretation of the past, urging us not to take any narrative at face value, but to explore deeper. Furthermore, the quest for Atlantis has practical implications for science, particularly in fields like archaeology and oceanography. The technologies developed and the methodologies refined in the search for the mythical city have applications far beyond the legend itself, aiding in other underwater explorations and historical reconstructions. The legend of Atlantis, whether fact or fiction, continues to inspire and provoke. It is a testament to the allure of the unknown and the enduring human quest for knowledge. As long as there are mysteries left in the world, the legend of Atlantis will remain a compelling part of our collective imagination, urging us to keep exploring, questioning, and dreaming.